Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create order follow-up automation here in Omnisend, right? It's actually pretty easy. So go ahead and open up one of your automations, or maybe just go ahead and create from scratch, okay? Now, once it loads, let's just go ahead and add in the trigger. So what will be the trigger? Well, it's basically up to you, okay? Go to the right panel, click on this drop down, and just go ahead and type down order. Okay, as you can see here, order canceled, order fulfilled, order refunded, paid for order, placed order. Let's say you wanted to follow up on a placed order. Okay, so someone placed an order right here. You can go ahead and add in trigger filters if you want to, or audience filter if you want to as well, and the exit conditions. Okay, if not, let's just move on. Now, what will happen if a customer placed an order? Okay, either you want them to receive an SMS or an email or even push notification. Okay, maybe an email. Now, you'd want to go ahead and get the right panel and add in the subject line. Maybe you placed an order. Add in your B header right here if you want to. Maybe thank you for your interest. Okay, sender's name right here would be yours, maybe your company name. Okay, so in the subject line, you can go ahead and select this personalization option and maybe include the first name or last name of the customer. Okay, last name right here, and just hit on insert. You placed an order, maybe hi, the name, placed an order. Thank you for interest. And then once done, just hit on update. And that's basically it. So whenever a customer, okay, again, placed an order, automatically they will receive this particular email. Okay, and if you want to as well, you go ahead and add in conditions like a split. Okay, yes or no. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.